Alright, party people, I just heard my second thunderboom. So, my skies are changing rapidly. Rapidly. It's cool to sit there. I love it. My dad taught me this because he always did it. He always loved watching storms come in. And when we were younger, we lived out on the east side of Ohio in Goshen. It was totally flat land out there, dude. So when a storm came in, you could really watch it. My dad used to do that a lot. That's where I got it from. He loved to sit out there. Plus, our grandparents had the, if anybody knew from back in the day, porch swings. Oh, there's nothing like sitting on a porch swing and the storm is coming in. Just like it is now, you can see the breeze is starting to pick up a little. Oh man, those are the days when you sat out there and nobody was scared of anything. I thought I was gonna get you another thunder boom, but I guess it said no. You're not gonna get another thunder boom. Yeah. I'll give you another part there, people.